This is the last song on the CD. And this is, first and foremost, my favorite hymn. When I was a kid and I went to church, I don't remember a single sermon that was preached. And to be honest, I don't know if I remember it even now. But what I do remember are the hymns that are sung. So this is my favorite hymn. And I just have to give thanks to God. This whole album, this launch today is by His grace. I just want to thank Him. I want to thank the family that made this album possible. I received an award from Princeton University to make this album. And so, I know they're not here, but I want to thank the Adams family. Da-da-da-da. Right? For really giving me the resources to make this possible. I also want to say a few more words. I just want to thank Scott, my beautiful photographer. Yeah. He did the album cover. He's an amazing photographer. Thank you so much for capturing my spirit, capturing who I am in one shot. That's such a gift. Thank you so much. I want to thank Rico on video. Thank you so much for making it the last minute. I want to thank my cousin Patana. Is he here? He's not here. Okay, but I want to thank him for designing my cover. And I also want to thank Murakai and Kiri Murora for all their wonderful input. I want to thank this beautiful band next to me. Thank you, Frank. Thank you, Freedom. Thank you, Mono. Thank you, Paul, for all the work and rehearsals that they put to make this possible. I want to thank you, Mono, for all your help in the studio and letting my music come to life. I want to thank you, Auntie Prue, for all your support and all your encouragement. And I want to thank my daddy. Where's my daddy? Daddy. Thank you so much for your support, your encouragement, not only for today, but right from the beginning. And I want to thank my beautiful mom. I cannot even begin to thank you, not just for today, but from the very beginning. Mama I didn't want. So they know me, baby. Even to this day. Thank you for pushing me, for encouraging me, and for helping to mold me into the woman I am today. Thank you. So thank you guys. Thanks to my friends, that mob over there of crazy people. For all that conference support. Thank you to everyone in church. Thank you to my family, and our auntie, Salapa, Frank. I see you guys grooving, my cousins. Thank you so much. Thank you. And to the next generation of performers. Hello. To my babies here. I see. You're next. And to Nyari and Dani, I see you guys. You guys are next. The stage is yours. Take it. Thank you. And here's our last song, Ndinoshamiswa Kwazvo.